How to use the magnifier feature. From the Settings menu, scroll down to the Control Center. This menu will let you customize your control center, so you can add features to things that you frequently use. We are going to add the magnifier feature to the control center. Scroll down until you see the magnifier feature. This feature uses the camera on the back of your phone to help you see things up close. It can be handy for reading fine print on bills or getting a closer look at small objects. Tap the green plus symbol to add it to your control center. You're able to open the control center at any time, whether you're in an app, on a phone call, or a website. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to display the control center. You will see a few icons here. Tap the magnifier icon. The screen shows a live view of what the camera sees. Drag your finger along the slider to change the size. Drag it to the right to zoom in and to the left to zoom out.